Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix your BMW that has no start, no ignition, no crank at all. This is the fault. As you can see, the key is in. I press start, nothing happens. Sometimes I get the airbag light and the brake light, but only sometimes. Like now, I only get the airbag light. I'm gonna show you how to fix that problem right now. But first, I wanna address that when I read the fault codes, I got the fault codes of the steering angle sensor being the problem, and naturally I researched and I came up with this emulator, steering lock emulator. I put this on and it didn't work. It had the same problem. So I thought, what could be the problem, okay? And then I was one day just clicking, seeing what the problem was, and I heard some clicking sounds in the back, in the trunk. So naturally, I went to check it out, and this is I'm gonna show you right now. There's panels here, just above the battery. This was the panel. I took it off. Here's the battery. Just above it, you see there's some modules here, and this is the keyless module, this one, and you can see if you have keyless by just looking at your door. If you have those, then you know it's a keyless. And yeah, the fault was the keyless module was fried. I just went to unplug this just like that, and now I'm gonna show you the magic. You can already hear it beeping at me. Now I get ignition and it started. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope this helped you.